Hello! If you want to learn Japanese quickly and easily without any books or classroom time, then you've come to the right place. Let's start talking right now. Hello, I'm Kerwin.
I'm Blaine.
We're your hosts of the Easy Go Japanese channel, where you can learn simple and easy Japanese short words and phrases so that you can start speaking Japanese right now.
Wherever you may travel, you're for sure going to want to know what the weather is so you can make plans accordingly. Today we'll be covering how to ask what the weather is and also how to say different weather conditions.
Sounds good. I think this is going to be very important when going to Japan for sure, no matter what time of the year you go. So first off, you want to ask, how's the weather? You would say, O tenki wa do desu ka? O tenki wa do desu ka? Which means, how's the weather? Do desu ka means how is, and tenki means weather.
You can respond back with simply ii tenki desu, which means the weather is good. Or you could say warui tenki desu, which means the weather is bad.
There will be times, however, where you are going to want to be more specific with the weather conditions. A few we could say is hare desu, which means sunny, or kumori desu, which means cloudy. You could also say ame desu, which means rain or raining, or you could say yuki desu, which means snow, or it's snowing.
And if you just want to describe temperatures, you could say atsui desu, which means it's hot. Atatakai desu, which means it's warm. Or samui desu, which means it's cold.
Coolness. What a great lesson this was. Alrighty then, this is going to wrap it up for this episode on learning how to talk about the weather.
Well, what did you think of today's episode? Please tell us in the comment section. We'd love to hear from you.
Also, if there is a word or phrase or question that you would like to know, please tell us in the comment section as well. Once we get that message, we'll make a video about it.
And if this is your first time here, please click the subscribe button, then the bell so you don't miss a single episode.
And if you are a returning subscriber, we want to thank you for supporting us and this channel. Take care, and we'll see you on the next one.
Mata ne!
Not today.